Hello everyone, here again with another awesome product, which I have been testing for the past 2 weeks. Today I am going to be reviewing an electric toothbrush that is unlike any other you have ever seen, the evowera Planco O1, new revolutionary sonic toothbrush that can be used with your phone. It takes just 1 minute using an evowera toothbrush to know if you are brushing too hard, not long enough, or missing a spot. The app will let you know in real time based on the science of pressure and speed analysis. First, let's open the box and see what's inside. This box contains 2 boxes. One is for the wireless charger dock and the other is for the toothbrush. Inside the wireless charger dock box, we have the AC adapter and wireless charger dock. The toothbrush box contains a user manual, 1 toothbrush, and 2 brush heads. When you pick up this toothbrush for the first time, you will notice its smooth, glossy finish and how comfortable it feels in your hand. The first thing we noticed was the small color screen. Unlike other electric toothbrushes, this one has a built-in, full-color screen which is positioned roughly in the middle of the front panel and surrounded by 2 large buttons towards the top, centered by a bronze-colored frame. To get started, first, press the power button with your thumb. It'll wake the screen up and ask you to choose between English or Chinese. Next, it'll ask you if you'd like to opt for beginner mode. We choose not to, but it's up to you. After that, it'll prompt you to download the evowera app on your smartphone or tablet. When you press the power button, the toothbrush will automatically display a clock and day of the week. Next, press the top button and you will be able to select from a variety of modes, such as therapy, white, clean, comfort, sensitive, and adaptive. After selecting the mode, press the power button, and a 2-minute timer will begin counting down. By pressing and holding the top button, you can manually adjust the intensity. It will complete the session and send all of the data to the app once the 2 minutes are up. No matter the mode you choose, each one differs slightly to adjust how it cleans. For example, sensitive or therapy modes will vibrate less intensely, whereas clean and white modes will vibrate more intensely and specialize in certain cleaning areas. Our favorite mode is adaptive. The innovative AI adaptive mode helps to create an exclusive personalized profile by analyzing your daily brushing behavior, habits, and other related inputs. By using the adaptive mode, you will be provided with brushing power and frequency based on the conditions of your current brushing session and previous brushing. The first screen shows a chart that explains the coverage, duration, and strength of your completed brushing session. Below this is a display of the remaining battery life and brush head. Next, you can proceed to the final screen. This shows a map of your teeth and indicates areas that you missed with different colors. All white areas are successfully clean while any areas with yellow are considered missed spots where you may want to brush again. The bristles of the brush head are made with materials proven for decades as the top choice when it comes to safety and reliability. They are oriented in a way that's been thoughtfully planned and engineered. The best feature is that each brush head has an NFC tag that identifies individual users and creates an accurate estimate on the remaining brush head service life. The app will notify you when it's time to change the brush head based on your brush strength and frequency. Using the app to register your toothbrush is simple. You can either use your email or phone and verify it with the code they send you. Once the Bluetooth is activated on your smartphone or tablet, you can connect to the Planco O1. From there, you can begin using it. Using the evowera app isn't a requirement, but it's highly recommended. After all, it's the only way to see detailed oral health analytics. In addition to automatically recording brushing sessions and tracking history, performance, and a range of other data, it also tracks brushing history. Charging the Planco O1 is quite simple. Using the provided wireless charger, it acts as a dock for automatically keeping your toothbrush's internal battery topped off at all times. When the toothbrush is nestled in the charging cradle, it also offers a stable resting place while it's not in use. evowera's Planco O1 is equipped with dual rechargeable battery cells and offers a 2080 mAh total power capacity. A quick 3.5-hour charge gives you a full 28 days of battery power. That means you can pack it up for a trip without worrying about the charging dock taking up extra space in your luggage. In the end, I recommended this product for you. I think everyone deserves a perfect smile, and evowera is the best product you can get to help you achieve it. If you want to buy one, you can find it on Amazon. The link is in the description box below. That's all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my video and thanks for watching.